do is just copy the link and then paste it to anyone, and hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create the Google Drive link in order to share files to people all around the world. So the first thing that you need to do is to have, of course, a Google account, and then have a Google Drive, because that's basically the most basic of this tutorial. But once you've done all of that, been there, done that, you can now follow me and see until the end of the video, so that you can have your very own shareable link that you can share with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or just anyone that you want to share to. And also learn how you can set if you just want them to view your file, or want them to comment on your file, or even edit the file. And that works the same way for folders as well. So follow along me through the process and I'll show you what you can do. Alright, so here I am on my drive. It's kind of empty, and what I would do first is we can create a folder, which by clicking new here, then click new folder. We just name it sample folder, create, and then once we have our sample folder, we can open it and it's empty. And the first thing that you can do is, now what you can do is you can add files into it, which you can do by clicking new again and then click on file upload here. You can upload as much files as you want, and let's say I just want to add some very light files so that it won't take much time, just because I just need to show you an example of what you need to do here. Now we'll just wait for them to upload, and now that they're done uploading, you have two options. You can either share these files or the link of the files individually, or you can share the entire folder to someone if you trust them. So first, for the file only, what you can do is you click on the file that you want to send, you right click on the file that you want to send, then head over to share and click on share again, and this window should pop up, and right now it says restricted, and only the people that has access with it is just me. So what you need to do is click on restricted and set it to anyone with link. And now all you need to do is just copy the link and then paste it to anyone, and they should have access over the file API key. But here's the twist. Maybe you don't want them to just view the file. You also want them to comment on the file or edit the file. So what you just need to do is just click any of the roles here and it should change, as well as the link. So once you do that, you need to copy the link again, because it's going to be a new link. It's for the editors. So now that that's done, if you want to share your folder, then you just need to go through the same process. But you're wondering, how are you going to do that? There's no folder here, right? Well, don't worry. You just need to click on the folder here, the name of the folder on top here. Then still go to share again. And then we're just going through the same process. Set it to anyone with link. And then just change it to whoever you want to share it to. And voila, that's it. But you can also set it to restricted and share it to only some people that you want to give it access to. Not the link, but rather the file itself. And you can do that by adding people here. And then an email should appear on their Gmail, and they can accept it so that they can have access over your files and your folder. That's it. That is how you can create shareable links to people for Google Drive. I hope this video helped you as much as it helped me back then when I just first discovered it. I'm happy that I'm able to be giving out solutions for people's problems. So I wish this really helped you. Thank you for watching. Once again, thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to comment down below any thoughts or suggestions that you would like us to make in the future. Thank you so much.